Good morning, team. Yesterday in our office meeting, we touched on follow-up and a follow-up plan or contact plan for our contacts. Today, I want to dig into that a little bit deeper. And first, we want to talk about our active clients, our active buyers, and our active sellers. If you have an active buyer right now, you should be in some type of contact with them every day. So whether it's via phone, via email, via text, and we do want to vary those. We don't always want to communicate in the same fashion. Every day you should have an update with these are the new things on the market that suit you. Would you like to see them? Or I checked the market today and nothing new's come up, but I'm always looking. Once they get under contract, that communication will continue. Of course, we'll always communicate milestones and help them in scheduling inspections and appointments and that type of thing. But we also want to make sure that we have a consistent system of a weekly follow-up once they get under contract until they go to closing. It's important that they know that we're still there, that we're still thinking about them, and more importantly, that we're going to give them a feel for how the transaction is going. If we have an active seller, we need to continue with the weekly updates. Your seller should get a weekly update. They'll get an email from the office with the weekly updates, but also you want to reach out to them and make sure you have a conversation with them every week to discuss any showings, any feedbacks, any issues or concerns. But you should do that weekly along the way. We should also do a monthly review. If your listing is on the market for longer than a month, at that month time point, you should do a market review with them and discuss price and discuss what has and hasn't sold around them. Of course, once it gets under contract, we'll continue the weekly updates, let them know that you're in communication with the buyer and the representative, and give them a feel for how that transaction is going. And with both active buyers and active sellers, it's really important to send them handwritten notes along the way, just to let them know that we're thinking of them, a word of encouragement. Sometimes with my sellers, I include a gift card to go out to eat or something like that, because of course we're putting them out of their house and requiring them to keep their house spick and span. So sometimes it's a nice gesture to say, hey, in different times, of course, but hey, go out and get you something to eat the next time you have a showing. So in any case, I hope this helps. We'll continue to get into these in more details, and then we'll provide this information in writing. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you again soon.